Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Francisco. Thank you guys for tuning into my channel. If you guys like my video, it'd mean a lot if you'd like the video, comment, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And I know I'm real tan except for around my eyes. That's because at my job, I have to work outside and I wear tinted glasses, and you don't want to hear about that. Anyways, today's video, I'm going to be going over 3 things that you should do after you get paid. So the first thing that you should do is pay your debts. That can be your bills, your mortgage, car payment, anything you have that needs to be paid. You should pay it once you get your check, because I've made the mistake before of being like, well, it's not due till next week, I can make it up. When I go to work, I miss a day or something happens and my check's not as big as I thought it was going to be, and I can't pay the bill. So the first thing that you should do once you get paid, in my opinion, is pay your debts, pay your bills. That way, you're not just waiting until the next week and hoping that you make enough money to pay the bills. So get them over with right away. So the second thing that you should do when you get paid is invest in yourself. That can be a variety of things. Me personally, I like to read. So I'm reading the book The Snowball. It's a book about Warren Buffett. So invest in yourself. Now that can be reading, that can be just searching things online, that can be investing in a course that you think would be helpful, that can be just learning about new stuff. Invest in yourself is probably one of the most important things that you should do. And the reason I put it on here as a list of things you should do after you get paid is because sometimes when you're investing in yourself, you do have to pay for things like books and videos and courses and stuff like that. So I think that would be the best second thing to do once you get paid, is invest in yourself. So the third thing you should do is invest in the market. I think it's better to have money in the market than not having it in the market. Because even having it in a high interest savings account, you're only getting about 1 point something percent. And in the stock market, and a good dividend, if you invest in the right stocks, you'll get capital growth and you'll get the dividends. And that compounding effect is lovely. I love it myself. That's why I do dividend investing. Now I'm going to go over my portfolio with you guys here in a bit, just to show how much I've added to it just this month alone. And I'll be going over what dividends are paying me this month. So this month alone has been crazy for me. I've invested so much more money than I had in my Robinhood account in the first 2 months. So if we look here at my Robinhood account, I'm currently at $795.07. I'm up $2.36 on the day. I'm up $1.26 on the week, and I'm up $1.77 on the month. I added a lot of new positions. I added an extra position of ARR. I still have the 2 positions of Vol. I still have 2 positions of AG&C, 2 of LYG, 3 of PSEC, 1 of ET. I added to my position of ECC. I'm now at 20 shares. I have NRZ, NYMT. I added Altria, ticker symbol MO. I added GLOP just because it's a really high dividend, high dividend yield. And then I added 2 shares of Coca-Cola, and I added 3 shares of AT&T. And that's what's making my portfolio this big. I'm going to keep investing. I want to get into some more blue chip stocks, but I want to keep adding to my ECC position. If we go over here and we look at what is paying me this month. So this month alone, if we go back to February 11th, I got a 32 cents from AG&C, 6 cents from Avol, 31 cents from ET, 18 cents from PSEC, 56 cents from GLOP. ARR is going to pay me 51 cents on the 27th, and ECC is going to pay me $3.60 on the 28th. So I'm going to keep adding to the positions. When I get the rest of these pending, I'm probably going to buy another share of PSEC. I won't be adding any money next week, but the week after that, I can want to add another $100 to my account. And with that, I plan on buying either more shares of ECC, or I was thinking about buying another share of Coke and another share of AT&T. But we'll see as I get there. But for right now, my account is doing extremely well. It's a lot better than it was just about 2 months ago. I'm up to almost $800. My goal by the end of next month is to be at around $1,200. So I'm going to keep adding to this every week besides this week coming up. And the reason I didn't make a video for you guys this past week was because I've been really busy looking for a new house. And I'll make another video for you guys probably Monday. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.